Today we'll be walking from Bugis Junction to Queen Street. This is a really short photo walk today. It's very nice weather today, and the sun is not too harsh because it's right in the morning. Started off at 8, we're going to end probably like 9 in the morning. So using these new cameras that I have, Leica M. So it's a M240. It's a very old camera. I got it pre-owned and very good condition. So with the Voigtlander Nocturne f1.2. I've never used a 1.2 aperture before. It's really a fast lens, and I'm having some troubles trying to focus on subjects. So some of my shots are really like out of focus. So bear with me for this first shakedown of this camera M240, and I think I'm going to love it, but trying to learn a lot from this rangefinder's cameras. Previously I've been using electronic viewfinder from the Q2 monochromes and Leica Deluxe 8. I really love it, and that's why I started off with the next camera, which is the M240. Right, it's a very beautiful silver color. So I hope you guys are enjoying this short photo walk with the Leica M.